Here come the biggest events of Fiesta. I'm talking about Battle of Flowers on Friday. Of course, the Fiesta Flambeau, the largest illuminated parade in the United States on Saturday night. So an important forecast is ahead of me. Let's head outside with the atmosphere. Oh, before we do that, some hail pictures from the south of San Antonio. This from Jourdanton. KENS 5 eyewitness. Let me see who we've got there. Oh, that's okay. Crystal Guerrero. Oh, on both of those pictures, even off the top of the show. Okay, very good stuff. And then our own Jamie Bauman capturing this picture. This is near Elmendorf, looking north near the city, because he was down at the tower. Our tower is in Elmendorf near Calaveras Lake. All right, now out to a stable atmosphere tonight. You can see the winds are calm. Things have really settled down nicely. Temperature-wise, a comfortable 77 with a south wind about 11. Dew point has not changed. It's still at about 67. Today's numbers, we did climb to 90, well above seasonal average of 83, 6 away from a 1940 record. And despite the big storms to the south, not a drop falls in San Antonio. Let me show you where it did fall. Right down I-35, 281. And you can see the bullseye was eastern Atascosa County with 2.5 inches, 2+ at Pleasanton. 1 inch as you get a little bit closer to Elmendorf, about 1/4 of an inch near St. Hedwig, maybe 1/10 of an inch at Seguin. So it was just really one thunderstorm complex that erupted. I mean, it was just one small little cell that goes into a monster. Watch it develop right there. And then it just grows, and then it took a hard right turn down towards Goliad. We only saw that little thunderstorm clip southeastern Bexar County right there, right up into eastern Bexar County over 10, and that was it. But this low's not done. Here's the huge low back to the west. And you can see this counterclockwise rotation kind of starts opening up a bit. So now it's a bit more of a trough than a big area of low pressure. And what it's going to do now is still send out these little impulses through tomorrow and even Friday. And when it does, it meets up with some very, very moist air. And of course, with the warm, moist conditions in place, we've got another threat of severe weather. So here's Thursday night. It's going to be 7 o'clock. So most of tomorrow is dry, cloudy, humid. But then you can see storms coming in from I-35, but then also from the west along the Rio Grande by 7 o'clock. It does congeal in a way, Kerrville down to Hondo by about this time tomorrow night, and then it's expected to collapse over the city. So we'll have to see. I think it still holds together, and we still get some pretty sizable rain. And then you see Friday, another round with a cold front. So tomorrow's severe weather threat, a 2 out of 5 risk for San Antonio, Bernie, New Braunfels, Seguin, and then a 1 out of 5 risk, but it's only as far south as Kerrville for Friday. All right, let's take a look at how we break this down. From San Fernando Cathedral, the 14-day forecast, the next 2 days weather impact alerts, a hot 93 tomorrow, 88 on Friday. So we're still ripening the atmosphere on Thursday for a Thursday night round of strong thunderstorms, and then again on Friday night. So I really think most events will be okay. If you go early to Niosa tomorrow night and be out of there by 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you're fine. And then Friday, Battle of Flowers, just fine because it's holding off till Friday night. Saturday morning, King William and the King William Fair looking good. And of course, the Carnival Parade on Saturday morning looking good as well out in Helotes. Still a 40% chance of rain on Cinco de Mayo. The last chance of this rain will be on Tuesday the 6th, and then we start drying out.